Welcome back to Interior. This week we're doing Jules's bathroom. You might recognize Jules from Ben's Studio Makeover, which, by the way, thank you so much for all the love on that. I'm just mind blown and I really wasn't expecting that. So thank you. This week it's Jules's bathroom, which we're doing. It's just lacking some color and coziness. It's just a typical condo white bathroom. So we're just trying to level it up a bit. It's going to be all renter friendly and it's just going to be a total vibe. We're going for moody, chic, chrome, which is just Jules. Anyway, she's just such a vibe. So I'm really excited about this one and let's get to it. On Jules's mood board, we had a tea light holder, which is obviously made from clay or something. It's like a star. I'm going to try to recreate it with this polymer clay and we're going to put a little faux tea light in it instead. We are going to install these peel and stick tiles I bought off Amazon. I really love the burgundy color and they're renter friendly and I think they're just going to make a huge difference in this corner. Should I start from this side or this side? Okay. And well, my dad said to peel this off in sections rather than peeling it all off once. Well, like, we just have to kind of go for it, don't we? Okay. This is an easy way to do a rough template because the tile is going to be covered up by the socket anyways, like the, what do you call this? The plug plastic thing? The outlet cover. It's going to be covered up by the outlet cover, so you don't have to be too careful. I'm struggling. Oh, don't do that. The best option is to have like a straight edge here and us to do. Okay, after an embarrassing amount of time spent putting up these tiles, don't let anyone fool you. This is so freaking hard. I've done wood paneling, I've hand painted a whole bedroom by now. I've done my fair share of DIY, and this has to be one of the hardest things I've done so far. So yeah, even though it was a small change, it was a big change. But here's to another small change that will make a huge difference. We're putting these wall switches in chrome to finish it off nicely and just to cap this area off a little bit better. Cool, we have two options for shelves and we need Jules to choose because she is the one who's living here all the time. We have this cool metal chrome shelf that can sit up here, or we have this chrome and glass shelf that can sit up here. What are we thinking, Jules?
And tell the audience that why you're hanging this so high.
Oh, is that a dig?
No, I just didn't want people to come for you because there's a reason.
Okay, there's a reason we're hanging this so high. Because we don't want to hit our head when we're washing our face.
And Kevin is 6'2".
Yeah.
So if it were lowered, me at my very tall height of 5'4" would have hit it too.
Exactly.
So that's that.
That's why it's so high. Everybody relax. Let's struggle that one. Okay, you need to do that one. She's like, great, I'm doing my own makeover. Is it turning? Yay! My potions.
My potions.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Do you like it?
Look at my wall.
Do you think we can call it an evening?
Yes, we absolutely can.
Starter day 2, I'm going to start with the tea light holder. I'm going to finish it by sanding it, painting it, and then curing it. And then we're going to get onto the vinyl on the cupboards. So we're gonna put wood in this.
Love it.
Any feelings, thoughts, concerns?
$47.25 at the very top.
Oh wait, the first one was the bottom?
Was the middle.
Oh. We're gonna take off the doors so I can install this vinyl. We're gonna change it from this gray to this nice walnut brown color. That was easier than I was expecting it to be. The peel and stick tile just gave me a bit of fear, and I was terrified to do this, to be completely honest with you, and I've been putting it off all day. So it went better than I expected. I'm going to install them now and then just moving on to the next steps, which are the tile rail. Oh yeah. The dreaded drawer. I forgot. I have to do the drawer and I'm terrified because it has the keyhole. Anyways, that's next. Wish me luck. I hope I didn't speak too soon, and why couldn't this just be the same end? Here and here. It's a beautiful day outside and I'm going to be real positive about putting this on. Yeah. Look how far it goes up. Jesus, man. Okay, my plan is to cut a X in it, in the middle, so I can push it, you know? It's not the best technique. Okay! I'm vibing with that. It will do. Oh, it looks so nice, so stylish. Ooh,
And look at that keyhole.
I'm telling you, you wouldn't tell it was my first time. Now, technically, there wasn't anything wrong with this acrylic towel rail, but Jules did purchase this cool chrome one. This cool chrome one. Why can't I say that? Jules did purchase this cool chrome one and she just never installed it, so I'm going to install it for her. We're getting rid of this plain white shower curtain and we're giving her something a little bit more luxe. So we're going to decide on the curtains.
Oh my god, they are.
Yeah, maybe help. I thought you just had to, oh.
You like.
Yeah. that tightening it?
Yeah, I think so.
Perfect. Okay. What do we think?
No, I need to put it up. I can't with this.
Yeah, you give it to me.
Yeah, but like it's my like.
It's your house, so if you fall and break your head, it's fine. Is it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right?
Right. Let me look at our rogue options. One is this beautiful green. Beautiful. Some tassel detail. Cute. Okay. And our second option is this lovely fluffy number, which is beige. Do you know what? Actually, I thought I would hate the brown and the green. I actually don't mind the brown and the green.
I know, right?
Yeah, it actually is lovely and warm. This is our towel also. Oh yeah.
I'm too indecisive.
You are very indecisive.
I'm not. Well, like,
You are!
I
like things a certain way.
I do.
I know, and I love you for it.
I'm just specific. Okay, you don't exist for a second.
We're going with these oatmeal linen curtains. We're going to put a clear shower curtain behind them so they're not going to get wet. And don't worry, there's going to be no mildew or anything like that. It's going to give that little luxe feel that we're hoping for. It's going to give you that hotel vibe, you know. So I'm going to put this up and then it's just final touches. Okay, Jules, you can help me. And by the way, it's Kevin that this surprise is for, just in case there's any questions. Okay. Twist it and pretend I did something here. This was so easy. We just twisted this and it came right on. I know I keep saying Jules is the coolest person. I know, and she truly is. But look what she made from her trip in Berlin with her boyfriend, Kevin. Like, how freaking cool is this? So I'm going to obviously use it in the makeover because it's so freaking stunning. I love it there beside the curtain. It looks so good. So good. She made a social on it, by the way, so check that out. It's pretty cool. I'm like straddling this toilet. It's so cute. It's Quebec. Oh yes, the Chateau. The Chateau de Franco. I actually have been there for dinner before. I think this one could be, I don't know. What do you think? Too much color? Let me actually do this. I love options. This is so nice.
Listen, I like this.
Listen. Tell me.
I like the feel, but I also kind of like it with the green.
I like
towel, but is that too much green?
I get what you're saying. I hear you. I prefer it with the curtain. But I get what you're saying that it is very green. We finally decided on the bat mat. It took us about 20 minutes of deliberation. We decided on a bat mat though. So it's this lovely green one. Poor Kev has been banished to the balcony since he got home from work for the last hour. So we're going to call him in and see his reaction. I can't wait. And remember your old condo bathroom.
I do.
Keep close. Okay.
Okay.
Kevin.
Reveal time.
You remember your old bathroom?
I do.
It was stark white. There was nothing. It was just a plain condo bathroom. But now we got a little bit more bougie for you. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Whoa! Holy sh**. Oh my god, look at this color. I love it. And it's our photos. It's from Europe. Oh my god, I'm like speechless. This is like all new. Looks brand new. This is like right from like a Pinterest mood board that Jules would make up and design.
It was Jules's Pinterest. That's where I got it from.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
And
glad
thank
like
you.
it. You're
Oh, I
welcome.
love it.
It's
You
nice
guys
and
did such a good
cozy.
job. It's all chrome.
Yeah. Very Jules.
Very Jules.
And you.
And me.
Yeah.
We're silver girly.
Yeah.
Yeah, show us the silver, Kevin. Show us. Oh,
Kevin knows. Well,
This is
I'm glad
great.
you like it and you can use your bathroom again.
Yes,
Yay.
I can finally use it. Actually, guys, I need to use it.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out of my crib.
Literally get out.